Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got myself a new toy and I wanted to show you guys it today. Just getting the vacuum out. It's absolutely filthy at the moment, but basically the story behind it is I've wanted to get something that I can sort of have a bit of fun with on the street, and also maybe take it to the track whilst I'm building the old RX-7, because that's a bit of a slow burn, let's be honest. So I'll turn the camera around. This is a 1979 Datsun 280zx. It's a slick top, so it doesn't have the T-top like most of them do, and it's not too bad. It's, you know, it's an old car, so it's a little bit rough around the edges, but it's all intact. And what actually makes this thing pretty cool is it's got a Nissan motor in it. Let's see if the bonnet's already popped. Where are we? Oh, it's so heavy. There's no bonnet stay, so I'm gonna have to hold it up. So this is an RB20 DET, and this one has a T70 turbocharger on it. Externally gated, 3-inch dump, and a bunch of other little things as well. I'm going to be doing a lot of filming with this car because it's going to be my daily, basically. See the front mount. I think they're Rotor RBXs. The wheels, are they? Performance. It's a bit of a weird shape, being the 2+2. I think it's pretty cool overall. It'll make for a bit of fun. I need to give it a good clean at the moment. It's absolutely filthy. So I'm going to do that now. And once I've done that, I might take it for a drive and try and get some videos for you guys. Alright, let's give this thing a tidy up. Just tried the first skid in the old Datsun. Slow down for a bit, see if you can hear it. Nah, it's fixed. So you'll see in the video I did a couple of hoops, and as I've reversed back I can hear it binding up. Something's binding, so I don't know if I've caught a flare or if I've done something to one of the, I guess, to the diff. Drive something's up. Something. Yeah. So we'll take it easy. Yeah, shit box. So the diff seems to be alright. Don't know what happened to it. It's so loud.